No. No.
Yeah, the bitch ass nigga got wet.
No.
No coochie was involved. Threw that nigga in
They threw you in the pool? Yeah, give it a go.
See?
Okay. Yo, what's going on? What's on his arms? Get in the fucking go-kart now. Oh, shit. Where you parking? Come on.
How many hours? Hey, get off.
Yo, tell him wait till I get to my office. Tell him to wait till I get to my office.
He said wait till you get to his office.
Fuck this nigga. No, start this shit. Who gave this bitch nigga his license?